Good afternoon, everybody. Chris Strang here. Been meaning to do a dedicated video for quite a while now on Bitmart. It's an exchange I've used for a long time. As you can see on the screen, it's been around since 2017. It's got over 1,500 different cryptos listed, 100 plus perpetuals. It's also got 9 million users now, which I believe is absolutely incredible. So it's a real solid exchange. Never had any issues whatsoever. I find their customer support really good as well. It's also a really good exchange for getting the low cap gems. Obviously, I spoke recently about Quanx, getting it on here as well. They've done that promotion as well with Quanx. So again, there's many different parts to Bitmart. You can see all the dashboard at the top, buy and sell easy. We'll go through these different sections in a minute. Obviously, the markets, your trade, the futures, copy trading, earn your NFT, and the promotions. Okay. We've also got here, you can download the Bitmart app. Okay, which makes it really easy. Also got their products, and it talks there, but obviously about the spot margin, the earn, also NFT and the futures. Okay, which is really good. Now, why Bitmart? Obviously, there's so much competition with exchanges out there. It really is a lot, and we're getting a lot of regulation now, aren't we? But why Bitmart? They've got 24/7 support. As I say, when I've used their support, it's been very quick with their responses. The security, advanced risk control system in the market, hybrid hot-cold wallet systems. Obviously, a few years ago, they had that big hack, which obviously I've learned from that and moved on with that, no issues since. Also easy to use, which again really is a highlight of Bitmart as we go through it, how easy they've made easy, if you're just literally getting started with crypto, how to make it very, basically step by step, very straightforward, okay? And it really is important to do that. And you see here, trusted by the world's largest financial institutions. You can see all their different partnerships and all the different ones they've got involved with Bitmart. So I think it's a wonderful opportunity to get in with Bitmart before the next bull run. And also we're going to look at their token as well, which again, I think has got a lot of potential. I really do. They're doing bonuses when you sign up. Certain trading, they give you a bonus up to $3,000. Obviously, you have to do a lot to get in that, but they do give a lot of bonuses. So one thing I did see was on this Medium, literally last month, Bitmart recognised world's top 200 fintech company by CNBC. Bitmart, the global leading digital asset trading platform, was thrilled to announce its recognition as one of CNBC's top 200 fintech companies. The esteemed list celebrates the most influential and innovative players in the global financial technology landscape, which is really good to see. So again, it highlights what Bitmart is doing. You get the founder and CEO of Bitmart, Sheldon Xia, expressed his elation. At Bitmart, we are passionate about pushing the boundaries of fintech innovation and providing our users with cutting-edge solutions. Now, this guy obviously started this back in, say, 2017. Obviously been through a lot over the last few years with the different bull markets and bear markets. But Bitmart now is really establishing itself as a real solid exchange. I think it's absolutely wonderful what they're doing. And say, go through what they're doing. Like many other exchanges, huge potential here for constant growth. Okay, and that's what I really do like. Now, we've gone there on their site, as I say, all the different sections. Obviously, you've got your normal trade, your spot trade, you see on the screen. But it's really easy to use, very similar to any others. Obviously, you set your 25, 50 or one between if you want to buy something on there. Okay, so again, it's very easy, very straightforward. But I appreciate if any just got into crypto, please don't hesitate to reach out if you need any clarification on this. I've done dedicated videos before I had to do this step by step, but however, please don't hesitate. I'll help you any way I can, because when I first got in crypto in 2016, I remember being on Bittrex, and all this was just a minefield to me. I didn't understand how I could get me altcoin. So obviously learned a lot since then. 7 years later, which is absolutely incredible where the years have gone. So Bitmart, offices, China, South Korea, America, all over the world. And they've made it very easy now. Now, one thing I'd love to see Bitmart do is where you can withdraw fiat. Okay, that would be the one stage of great if they could take the next leap. However, actually buying there with fiat is really easy. They've got these different service providers, ones I've mentioned many times before. Alchemy Pay, okay, Banksa, Simplex, okay. Now, obviously in the UK, restricted. If you was in the UK, you'd have about 5 or 6 options there, okay. So, for example, just £100 will give you 471 ADA. Now, it's never financial advice. Me personally, I'm constantly accumulating all my favourites. I'm actually going to do some videos soon, going off topic here, about some new exciting projects I'm getting into. However, during a bear market, obviously I'm going to accumulate my favourite projects, okay. Now, ADA. £100 will give me 471 ADA on here, which is actually incredible with Banksa. And it goes through how much you get. So obviously Banks will give me the most ADA with that £100. And you go through there. Obviously I've shown this many times before. Very straightforward, very easy. We do have some restrictions here in the UK. Basically, nearly every credit card now is now stopped by all the banks of the UK, would you believe? However, I found a way where we can just do bank transfers. It's fine using the third party, which I've showed before. So we can still get crypto fiat. However, they're making it extremely difficult. Now, also they're doing, you see here, the copy trading, top master traders, hot master traders. Okay, now a lot of exchanges do this, but you can see, you can follow them basically and see how they're doing. Total profit and loss, the total win rate. See this guy here? You can see it here. 7-day return of investment. And some have made little slight losses, but you can also see here long term where they've done total win rate. Okay. Again, it's honest and transparent. Not everyone's doing fantastic on the other trades, let's be honest. However, you do have that copy trading, which is a wonderful thing when exchange does that. If you're not an experienced trader, you want to learn trading, you can just copy, okay? I think that's really good, an excellent part of Bitmart. Now, another bit is obviously the staking. Obviously, we're in a stage now with staking where there's so many different sites doing staking. There's a lot of competition. So you can scroll, they do many, many different projects on here, all the big ones, low caps as well. But one thing I did find interesting here was Teller. Now, I've done a video on Teller for a couple of years. Once we had that guy on the channel from Teller. It was a wonderful project, huge growth. Now, recently they've had another massive pump because I believe they've sorted out their Oracle problem. So again, Teller is one I need to keep on my radar. I took some wonderful profits a few years ago now with this project. But the fact they're still going strong, again, means I've took me off the board. Teller needs to look back into it. However, you can see there 6% APY. So make it very easy. If you just want to do like 3 days, for example, you know, if you do that, and it tells you the APY is 100%. Okay, so again, I need to get myself some Teller and get staking on Bitmart. So even if I do it for 30 days, you can see there it's going to give me 6%. Obviously, very good as well. I say Teller had a massive pump last week. It's come down a bit, a natural drop. However, I need to go more in depth with Teller because I say it's been a while. Now, so the staking's good. Now, obviously on CoinMarket, they go through all the different exchanges. You can see the trading volume last 24 hours, massive, say huge, 744 million. Okay, so again, it shows the trust people have in Bitmart. And what I like about CoinMarket, they give so much information about each exchange, who the founders are, when did Bitmart launch, where is it located, restricted countries. Now, you can see here, the global cryptocurrency exchange provides real-time trading services in over 180 countries with no KYC. Now, that is massive. No KYC. Normally exchanges offer that, okay? I don't know if that'll be forever, but that is really good. More of it can be accessed by US citizens except for such as states. You can see there some states it's restricting. Always New York, isn't it? But also some others. And obviously some other list of banned countries, okay? So again, the fees got there very, very low. So I like about Bitmart, very low fees. I talked here about the trading fees here. You can see here I've reduced it recently, okay? You can see there that's just ridiculously low. Okay, so again, that's wonderful to see. Also follow them on Twitter, as you can imagine. I've got 800,000 followers, would you believe? And they're always talking about new projects being launched. They also do a lot of giveaways. Got one here now where basically you just retweet this, tag 3 friends, and there's 3 winners up to 500, 300, and 200 USDT respectively. An additional 100 followers will get 10 USDT each. So again, it's great to see it. But I say you go through their Twitter, and it's always talking about new listings of real low cap gems, and there's some real gems here. It's a lot of these you haven't heard of, for example, because they're that brand new and that much of a low cap. But I just like the fact what they're doing. Again, talks about one there, list Elf there, and again it gives you more information about it as you hit the site. But as I say, every single day they're putting out ones about new listings, about different projects. So again, definitely follow them on Twitter. About 800,000 followers really is incredible, isn't it? So the next one is the savings they offer. Again, it's all on here. You can see it under Earn, savings, staking, dual investment, ETH 2.0. Okay, the Bitmart savings, you can see there, very good, 8% tier rate, flexible as well. Also got the fixed savings as well. Look at these, incredible. You can fit it in for 3, 7, 14, 30 or 45 days. So if you just want to do like 14, for example, you can see it's subscribe that, 4.5%. You know, always saying in any bear market, make your crypto work for you. There's no point just holding an exchange, make it work. Even if you've got Tether, you can make it work, okay? Which is really good. So again, the fact they're offering fixed as well as flexible savings is really good. Now, another bit is the launchpad. Now, again, we spoke about this when they did the QuantX promotion, and talk about some other ones here, which again is a great way. I often visit this to look at these projects. As I say, some of these are not even on CoinMarket. They're that new. They're literally on launch. So you can understand, like, I recently looked at that one, you know, and some other ones here, like Radar was an excellent, interesting project, but there's so many out there. Okay, now the fact they do these launch pads, I think is really good. Where a project believes in Bitmart obviously help them out get launched, and obviously you get a reduced price. So again, it's wonderful if they do this launch pad. A lot of exchanges do it. I think it's really good they offer this. So you see, with the more bit, you've got the launch pad, vote listing, earn airdrops by voting. Again, did the QuantX institution, the APIs, robust stability, anonymous endpoints. They've got the referral program. I do have a Bitmart link below. If you do want to join Bitmart, please use my link to support the channel. You don't have to, obviously, but please make sure you're on bitmart.com and not a phishing site. So, okay, there's a link below. Now, the other bit I like is the vote listing was mentioned there. I said about QuantX, basically you believe in a project, you vote for it, okay? So a lot of these are very, very new projects. You can see here, look at this one. Who would have thought we'd create a coin called Unemployed? You know, but it has got 2,000 votes. Vote for unemployed to share $5,000 prize pool. Okay, but it's incredible what people are calling it. I see there's a Homer Simpson one now as well. Absolutely madness. Also, Jesus coin. Where will it end? Some of these names are absolutely incredible. So again, they do all these little events. Talk about this little event center, and you can see here. Again, it talks about teller there, now added an isolated margin. But again, it just gives you more bits. So day by day, you can see what the events are going on. They must have a very strong team to do this daily, all these events, all these listings there, social media, etc. It's absolutely huge. But as I say, I think the promotion bit, see there, event center, but also with this, and they've got their NFT, the marketplace, which is good. I've actually got some NFTs on there. But also, when we talk about Bitmart, most exchanges have their own token. We speak about it very fondly. You've got the Bitmart token, BMX, currently ranked 600. And the markup is just below $14 million. So the price was just over 8 pence at the moment. The all-time high is 35 pence. Okay, look at the supply. Not fantastic, let's be honest, 20-odd%. However, they've also put this on their site. What is BMX? Runs native on the Ethereum blockchain, follows the ERC20 token standard. The BMX token is established with a total supply of 1 billion. Bitmart plans to use 20% of our profits each quarter to buy back and burn BMX until 50% of the total BMX supply is burned. So basically, it's going to be 500 million. Okay, and at the moment, we've got about 172 million. Okay, so again, as it develops and Bitmart keeps going, you've got potential over the token. And I do have myself a nice bag of BMX on Bitmart itself. Okay, holding long term. And so again, hopefully we'll get some steady profits. With that, still just over 8 pence. We had a high of 35, and that's really are progressing well, Bitmart. So again, you've got potential there. See there, value of BMX, gas for public blockchain, pay trading fees, receive a 25% discount on trading fees using BMX. Obviously, most exchanges do that, so the token's got its own utility. Obviously, you've got how to buy it, it's obviously on the Bitmart. But again, it goes through a lot of information there, and it talks about everything they do with BMX. Now, I think this is, again, potential way of make profits. So it's very hard in a bear market, naturally, then to have a project being around a long time to not make profits in the next bull run, like BMX and an exchange token, okay? So only time will tell. But as I say, just go through different Bitmart. Again, just highlight all the different, their dashboard, the markets, the trade, the spot, the futures overview, the copy trader, which is great to see, the earn bit, fantastic. In a bear market, saving, staking, dual investment. The NFT, the one-of-a-kind NFT marketplace. Also say there, you've got the launch pad as well, a token and NFT launch platform. And obviously our promotions, the event centers, and the futures bonus giveaway. So there's many different parts to Bitmart. I've been meaning to do a video for a long time, so I use Bitmart a lot. I use many different exchanges, but Bitmart is very, very good. So, as I say, there's a link below. If anyone does want to join, use my referral link. Do appreciate it, as I say. Anyone help, don't hesitate. Email me, info@cryptostrain.com. Please hit the subscribe, like. Come and join us on Telegram. Got our own little group there, and also my private Telegrams there as well. So thanks very much. Have a wonderful evening. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.